Hi, good afternoon, families. My name is Jade Aldrich, and I'm the Coastal Coordinator at First 5 Mendocino. And here today, I'm excited to tell you a little bit about toilet training and some tips for best practices. So first of all, we want to learn these tips to support the process. We want to set a time to begin toilet training. This is a process that we don't want to rush. Most children will show signs of readiness when they're ready, and it would likely be between the ages of 2 and 4 years old. Some signs of readiness are that when our child is interested in using the toilet, when they show interest in us using the toilet, and when they can communicate that they need to use the toilet or that they are feeling wet or soiled. We also want to make sure that we wait until our child can control the urge to wet or soil themselves and use the restroom. And how long will toilet training take, you wonder? It's different for every child. So we can think sometimes it would take 2 to 4 weeks, and it can also take up to several months and maybe longer. Also, nighttime toilet training might take longer, and that's okay. All of it is okay. First of all, we want to prepare for toilet training by finding out what our child's pattern is. We also want to find out times that our children usually use the restroom or pass a bowel movement. And if there doesn't seem to be a regular pattern, your child might not quite be ready yet. You're going to need to get everything ready that you need to have for toilet training. We're going to need a potty or a step stool so they can climb up onto the big potty, and then sometimes a little potty seat is helpful as well. We want to help them to get ready by talking about the potty, talking about what it's for, and then we really want to model going to the restroom ourselves and letting our child follow us into the bathroom so that they can see the steps that we go through and we can demonstrate them for our child. So we want to break it down into steps. We want to, first of all, teach our children to use their words. Tell us when they need to go to the potty. You'll want to choose a day to begin. You'll want this day to be a day where you're at home and relaxed. Everything is easy. You'll want to give your child plenty of fluids to drink, plenty of liquids, and you're going to want to ask them if they want to go to the restroom regularly. Give them those prompts. Finally, you're going to also watch for signs, like if they're holding themselves or if they're needing to use the toilet or straining. And then you'll just want to invite them to sit down on the toilet and really remember how important it is to be patient and not to force your child to sit down on the toilet. And use praise when they're successful. We really want to give them that encouragement that they're doing a good job. Every little success along the way is helpful to celebrate. And of course, if they do have an accident or soil themselves or wet themselves, just stay calm. Some additional tips are to just make sure that your child has access to the potty or to a potty seat. And during long periods of play, we'll want to remind them or ask them, do you need to use the restroom? Finally, we'll want to make sure that our children are wearing pants during toilet training, as that makes it a lot easier to feel if they're wet. And we'll want to check in with our child's daytime caregivers to see what methods of toilet training they're using so you can work together. And also, we're only going to want to use diapers when our children are sleeping. The way that you can contact us for more information is First 5 Mendocino and Raise and Shine FRC. We have our phone number, which is 707-462-1233. And our office is located at 419 Talmadge Road in Ukiah, Suite JK. You're welcome to pop in and give us a visit. And you can also look up our Facebook and Instagram at raiseandshine.org. Thank you for tuning into this video. Have a good day.